Hi and welcome back everyone. Back on the P6 again. Today is not a good day on it really. I've just started picking around where I need to repair it on the hinge for the bonnet, because I thought I'd do that bit, because if any muck and that drops out, then it'll drop out through the gap at the bottom of the sill. Now that's cut out, but now I've started digging around, it looks like this. See, I knew it was gone sort of round there, so I was hoping just cut that out, obviously measure it, make sure the plate goes back in the right place. But it's now, it's also gone up in here and behind there and down in there, so I've got a bit of a conundrum now as what I'm going to do or how I'm going to repair it, because it's quite serious. In fact, it's very serious, because it's up near where the spring mounts. If I go up under the wing, I don't know what you can see there, but it's right up in there. So I think what I'm going to have to do first is remove all of this front suspension out of it, and then I don't know. I have to just try and cut it and see how it goes together. I might cut it at the top first, and then I can see what's underneath. I'm not sure how many. I know there's a few skins in the bulkhead, but I'm not sure how many there is at the top. Anyway, it's fun, isn't it? What's the worst case scenario? The suspension's got to come out anyway, because I need to repair it down here anyway. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to get this front suspension out and then I'll be back. Right, so I've got the spring out now, and like the top half of the suspension. Still left the rest of it in at the moment, because I will need to be able to make the car roll at some point. But yeah, I suppose it's not too bad, it's just what's in between the skins really. What's that? Oh, that's alright. So yeah, I'll get up here now and have a look. We'll start cutting into that and see what we got. It's not going to be an easy or quick repair, but it needs to be a strong repair. I did snap a bolt off as well, but there we go, for the torsion bar. That should be alright. Still get hold of a bit of it. Just better eat it up a little bit and get that out, replace the bolt. All this needs all cleaning up and painting anyway, so at some point, so yeah, anyway, right, let's cut a bit and see what we got. Right, so I've cut some of it out now, trying not to make too much shadow. You can see obviously the old behind, but I've took out this top layer, which also had a hole in it. It's still gone down here a bit, so I'm going to cut some more out, but I think I should be able to repair it okay, which I was starting to get worried for a minute. But it appears that there's a piece up under this bracket here which is kind of welded, goes at an angle and then is welded to this upright piece down in here, but I'm not quite sure how I'm going to be able to get in there to weld that. But anyway, I'm going to leave this piece in here at the moment, because obviously I need to keep my hinges in the right place. So I'm going to cut some more out here, and then we'll repair this piece here first, and then we'll cut that out afterwards once I've got a datum point of where I need to be. But it is a bit complicated and it's a bit time consuming, but it's got to be done. But on the bright side, I don't think you can really see, but looking down inside of the box section down in there, which you can't really see because it's too dark, it does appear to be fairly solid, so that is good news. But anyway, yeah, to the next bit, more cutting. Right, so after much cutting and stuff, I've finally made a patch panel which will go up inside of here, as you can see. Took me ages to try and work out the best way to do it, but I think this is all I can do really. So we'll put that bit in and then we'll box in back into here. Also cut some of the hockey stick panel off as well. It's bubbling up along here anyway, so we'll repair that as well while we're here. I wasn't going to do that yet, but it seems a bit daft not to do it now while I'm here. Right, anyway, I'm not sure whether I'm going to film it all because this is proper stressing me today, but yeah, I'm going to put some weld-free primer behind it and then get it welded in. Like I say, I probably won't film me welding it in, I'll just show you what I've done. Cool. Right, so we've got that bit welded in now. You can see, not too bad. Can't really see there, but get the idea anyway. I'm going to clean that up now and then make the next bit and then get the next bit welded in. Right, so I've cut the next bit now, which will replace all of that into there, as you can see, and hopefully we can get back to the bit that I was trying to repair in the beginning at some point. But anyway, we're getting there, but it's just a lot more than what I was expecting to have to do on this bit, but never mind, we'll get there. Right, so we've got this piece welded in, cleaned up now, so I can actually get back to what I was trying to do now, which is to sort out this bit around the hinge for the bonnet. Now, because now I can use that as a dating point and mark it, make a note of the distance for the bolt holes to go from here to here, there to there, there to there, there to there, obviously. But I'm sure there'll be a bit more to do in there, because this bit's all rotten here as well, but I need to leave that there and do the inner bit first. Then once that's done, then I can sort out the outer bit and the piece under here as well. I'm not sure how much further I'm going to get today, but at least we've got some of that back in. Obviously I still need to replace the hockey stick, although I'm not going to replace all of it anyway. I'm just going to make up this section because the front section is actually okay, unless anyone could give me any reason why I should do it in one piece, but I think it'd be strong enough. Yeah, anyway, it's all good. I think we're getting somewhere, we're getting back to where we should be now anyway. I think this is probably the worst piece to repair now on the whole car, to be honest, but once it's done, it's done. Right, so I'm pretty much done today. I haven't got a lot done, and I know I haven't really shown much what I've been doing, but at least you've got to see what I've done after I've done it anyway. But the only thing I am going to show you is, like I said, about repairing where the bonnet hinges go. I've cut this piece out. Obviously I've measured it all anyway now. I've cut this piece out and removed the threaded part where it bolts to, so I need to clean this up. I might have to make another one of these because that's a bit rusty, but at least I can reuse this piece. This piece will be okay, but I managed to pull that out of there, ready to put some new metal in there and weld it up nice and solid. But yeah, anyway, like I said, that's me done for the day anyway. Sorry there hasn't been much content, but yeah, hopefully I'll film a bit more next time. But still, it's a little taster anyway. Right, thanks for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Cheers, bye.